Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today I will discuss another problems. The problems very easy problems. The data transfer from one component to another component or in reverse. Suppose the content of data transfer from one component to another component. Then how will it describe? Or how we will consider, or what kind of things we will consider. Okay, so very simple problems we will discuss today. That is suppose following transfer statements defined like this, specified by memory, and the memory operation we use whenever different transfer statements are considered. Okay, so first case you see very simple way, here mentioned register R2, that means memory data or memory of address register or content of memory of address register transfer to R2. It is mentioned in this way. You see very simple way mentioned. Another is the content of a register R3 transfer to memory of address register. Okay, another is a memory of register 5 or content of a register 5 transfer to R2. These are the three that is statements, transfer statements is given. Okay, so what does it mean? How to define? What does it mean? What is the concept of this? Okay, so now I will discuss one after one. What is the concept whenever the transfer statement is defined in this way? Okay, now we see first case. First case is that is R. Suppose case 1 R 2. Here is memory AR. Okay, memory AR means what? That means content of memory, content of a data from memory which is specified by address register. AR means what? All of you know that AR means address register. Okay, address register. So content of a content kept by address register which is available in memory, it will that is transferred to R2. That means here you see data or content of memory or content of data transfer to register means memory to register. Very carefully we have to define which operation we can consider as if this kind of operation is given. Okay, very simple example I will tell you, then we can understand how it is defined or how to find out or which kind of operation we will consider for memory. Okay, very simple example I will tell you. Suppose here is a memory, for example, here is a memory or M, or we can write here is a memory. Okay, here is a memory. And another part we can tell here also like a register. For example, here is a register. Okay, register. Suppose data, content of some data transfer from memory to register. Okay, in this way, in this direction, data transfer from memory to register. Okay, then we can use read operation. You see, very simple way, we can use read operation. That means read the data from memory, okay, to the register, or data collect from memory to the register. There is no changes of anything in memory. We can use read operation. If data transfer from another case, very simple way I will show you, then you can understand. Data transfer from register to memory. Okay, in this way, that means we collect the data from register and store in memory, then we can use write operation. Okay, write operation in memory. That means whenever data we want to read, no problem, we can see the data, only read operation, there no changes of data. If data transfer from register to memory, we load some data into memory, store some data in memory, then we have to write something in memory. We can use write operation. This is the basic concept of the read operation and write operation. Okay. Now we see the statement is given in this way. For example, one statement is given. Memory of AR means address register, content of address register transfer to R2. That means content of a register content of address register or memory word specified by the address in AR. It meaning like this. Okay, we can write it, suppose MAR means what? Okay, what does it mean? Means it is a memory word. Actually, we can tell as a memory word. Okay, memory word specified by the address. Okay, in this way we can also define the address in AR. It is meaning like this. Okay, and that word transfer to register. Okay, that means see, very simple, memory data, memory content transfer to register. That means which operation will you consider? Obviously read operation will you consider, because data transfer direction is there, memory to register. That means here memory to register, that means read operation will you consider. That means read memory word specified by the address in AR into register R2. It means like this. Okay, this is the basic concept whenever we will consider this kind of a statement. Next, another concept means another statement we will consider. Okay, what is the another statement? I will show you. That is the another statement also we will consider in this way. Now we see very simple way we will consider this another statement. Okay, so here you see that is a statement, suppose B, like here memory, very cautiously you see that memory AR, the content of memory through AR, that word memory word specified by AR, what happens here? R3. That means what happens? Sorry, this is the direction is like this. Okay, direction is like this. So R3, content of R3 transfer to the memory, means the previous case you see, content of the R3 transfer to memory, means we have to write some data into memory. It means like this. Okay, I will show again. Here suppose the direction is given in this way. The content of a register R3, the content of a register R3, here you see very simple way, content of a register R3 transfer to memory, means we have to write some content from R3 to memory. Then what happens? We write the content. Okay, we write the content. Then we can tell as like that is write content of a register R3. Okay, write content of a register R3 into memory word. Okay, into memory word which is specified by address register or by address in AR. Okay, this is very simple way, because we have to write the content of R3 into memory word which is specified by AR. This is the basic concept we will consider in this way. Okay, another case is what? Very simple. R5, here is a memory R5. Okay, another concept also there. Means what? Means you see memory to register means what? Very simple. If a memory to register means read operation. Okay, very simple. Read operation memory to register. Okay, here it is same thing. It is mentioned memory of a same register content. You see, memory of a same register content or memory word. Read the memory word. It's a meaning word. It is transfer to register. Memory to register. Okay, that means read memory word specified by address in R5. Okay, it is a memory word. Read first. Read it will be read from memory to register. That means read memory word which is specified in address R5 and transfer to R5. Okay, when it transfer to R5, that means transfer the content of R5 to R5. Okay, so obviously what are the previous data? Okay, here previous data, what are the previous data? It will be destroy. It will destroy automatically. Okay, previous data of R5 it will be destroy. The content of R5 it transfer to again R5. Okay, this is that is a basic concept regarding on this kind of statements. So it is very easy way we can define. So very simple way we can see that either we can use read operation or write operation. You see, very simple way. If we go through this one, definitely we will go through write operation. Okay, write operation. If we go through this one, memory to register, obviously we go through read operation. Okay, read the content of memory word specified by R5, transfer to R5. Here write the content of R3. Okay, into the memory which is specified by address in address register. Okay, in this way we can define. This is a very simple example. These simple problems, we solved these simple problems in this manner. Okay, thanks to all. Thanks to watch my videos. Okay, thanks.